All right, so we got two piece of shit 335s. We got, hold on, come here. Man, we got the whole squad here. This is the first time in a long time. So we got the brand new M18 cover on here.
I know that I'm beneficial. I can't show no feelings. Been in windows tinted. Nowadays ain't no time for
It still smokes. No problem solved. But that's fine. We're gonna try to take it down the drag strip today. This thing lives to see another day. The only problem I had, the oil line on it came off, so I just re-tapped it. We sent it in there, and she's good. She's ready to go down the drag strip. So I'm gonna let one of these fuckers try to drive it. We're pretty much gonna have a smoke off on the way down the drag strip to see which car smokes the most. She lives to see another day, fellas. No, she don't. She needs to jump.
All right.
We got one piece of shit jumping the other.
God damn.
All in? Yep.
Let's talk about it. Hey, yo, chill out.
Don't say no.
Hey, never happened. No. Hold on, I'm gonna try to Hey. Oh, you got the
The man of the hour.
It has a misfire already. Dude, what is this? Dude, it's smoking so bad.
Yo, why does the gray car run better than the black car?
I swear to God it does. It really does. This is so much stress. We were trying to get to the show that we're already late to, and we have two barely running 335s. Dude, that shit looks so sick.
Man, Travis, you look good, buddy.
It drives good. Well, both cars made to the gas station, so that's a great step one. This shit looks insane. How's it running? Honestly,
Not good. It just can't. It's
When it's
like literally
light,
hates
that's when
sitting
it misses.
still.
I haven't even been behind this thing once today. Hi guys, I'm here at the gas station with all my friends and BMWs. It's a good day.
And I couldn't have picked a better driver than a Travis
Banging through the gears,
wedding
baby.
with a C4. Couldn't get any better.
Just figured out I ain't got no cup holders, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of things while driving.
Yeah. I love seeing Travis drive. Yo, we lost the grill. I think this is our solution to all of our problems right here. We just
It is a solution.
That's a mute.
Man, save that for the OnlyFans.
That's a mute. Oh, that's coming soon.
No, you're coming too.
Really fast.
Gang's all here.
They're all here, man. So the cars are in a little bit bad shape, but we got Travis wedding. Gotta take this one down. I'm gonna take the black car down. We gotta go once. We can't come here and not race.
Let them know what's going through your mind right now.
Nothing. My mind's right. I'm chilling, waiting for the race.
Waiting for the race.
Waiting for the race. Throw this knob around a little bit. Hopefully I don't miss nothing.
Hey, in the last video, everyone commented that you can't just slap a turbo on a car and just expect it to work. We're about to find out.
Dog,
Yeah, no, I know.
that's VTA straight from the source.
That passed tech.
You'll be alright.
That passed tech, man.
Here we go. We got the approval from Big Man over there. Boys, I am nervous because this car has not been down the track since it's been signal turboed, and there's only hopes and prayers holding this vehicle together. All right, boys, here we go. They didn't let me and Travis run together because they're dicks, but whatever. We're both gonna go down. They both made it down the track. Oh my God, I'm pumped. That was awesome. I have no idea what I ran. I'm just really glad that the car didn't blow up. I ran a 13? How was that possible? Travis ran a 50, which is hilarious. How did this thing get so slow?
Silver car do.
15,
God damn.
And that went to a 13-0. What the fuck?
That shit's way down on power. Like way down. What tune is he on? Like is he literally on wastegate?
Walking back as an ashamed pit crew.
Damn.
Looking horrible, boys.
98, 15-2.
God damn, these cars are broke. Who built these things? What happened?
Why was it so slow?
Did you do a stock turbo swap?
What happened?
That's not the same car that I met up with last time. It's on wastegate.
Man, we gotta go again. That's bullshit. We gotta turn this up. I don't know what happened.
Let's go.
Hey, but she made it.
Yes, she did. We're still here.
13's ugly. 13 is bad. Something's wrong. Either them or me. I don't know what it is. But I'm pissed.
I know.
Alright guys, false alarm. My car's not that slow. I accidentally had the settings all wrong. We were running on wastegate. So now we're gonna be making about 20 pounds. I thought we were on 22, but we were on wastegate. So that's why I was so slow. I swear. We're gonna go do a test hit out on the road. right, we're hitting the drag strip again. We're going.
You see the dude in the blue 92 yesterday?
Yeah.
9.2.
9.2?
9.2.
Hey, why ought to run a 9.3 then?
Yeah, all right.
Round 2, we got boosted up to about 20, 21 pounds now. Before, messed it up, but let's see what happens.
Ain't too bad. Out for 20 pounds. That's not.
Nah, dude, upgraded twins, he busted out 11.7.
That was way better. I'm still so new to this drag racing shit that I suck at doing burnouts and all that, but it's so fun, but I just suck at it. Honestly, for today, dude, I don't even care about the time. I'm just glad the car is making it. It's making it alive. That's all I really do care about for today. Ran a 12.2. The 12.2 is not good. Bro, I literally think it's a lack of driving experience when it comes to drag racing. I've barely been drag racing, so if we stuck 7 behind the wheel, he'd run a much better time, but I just suck.
Look at him destroying the evidence, guys.
I swear it's faster, man. Yo, they found the CD in the car.
Fucking mixtape. Somebody left it behind.
Yo, he's gonna copyright you and get all his money back.
Oh yeah, he will.
Is this his song? The
I
dude
guess
in
so. This is the previous owner's song. He's going triple tinfoil.
Tinfoil.
Yo! Turn that bitch up! Oh. We're both alive. They're here. That's all that really matters. Well, we gotta go. It's starting to rain. Leave it to us to be stranded on the side of the road.
BMW things, you know? Hey.
God damn, we just gotta make it home one more time. Yeah, that shit looks ignorant.
This flowers are consistent to 1 and 3. That was a hell of a time, son. I need to get me one, or Wyatt give me this for like 500.
Shane and Peyton are about to leave, so we gotta let Shane drive it first.
What the fuck? Bro, it stays on throttle even when you let off the gas. That's horrible, dude.
My God, bro.
Dude, those brakes are fucking bad, though. I can't lie.
That was close. Fuck everyone who said you can't just slap a turbo on a car and expect it to run.
I let my demons in.